We've been now the last 30 years manufacturing performance outerwear and knitwear in China, and for the last 15 years we were doing woof and wear, mainly pants, out of our factory in Laos. The unique proposition, I would say, is first of all, I call it sustainability. The sustainable measure is to produce quality garments, but this long life of those quality garments is basically sustainable, and that is where we stand for. And on the other hand, we're trying to be very ethical, to follow our slogan, business is people. Gerlinde Engel, when she started in '95 back in Laos, she was a bit shocked when she discovered that only a minor part of the employees were able to calculate and to read. Over the years we got really people in the company improving on those skills. However, still the education system itself didn't improve that much. Gerlinde afterwards retired, and her sister-in-law basically was working also in the education sector in Germany, and the two ladies decided to put up a foundation, Angels for Children, and took over a government school, refitted them, put in properly sanitary equipment in there, put up the teachers to a standard where the people are getting really, or the kids getting really a benefit from education. And we started off about 2005 with the school, and by now the school is one of the most respected government schools in Laos.
When the young girls and the boys, they come to me in the factory, they want to find a job, it was impossible because they cannot read, not write, they can do nothing. And I must bring from Thailand a lot, 60 persons, to start a factory here in Laos. My children have a hobby. Some they dancing, some they make sport. Now I want to try to find a football field for them. We have one, no? And so I hope the children can do something what they like.
Overall, we have 900 kids from our workers and from the fellows in the village being able to receive proper education, and overall our factory will be dramatically benefit from this education initiative, that we're getting top talent workers afterwards for our operation. Well, we are not automized in this industry. We are living from skillful workers and happy people. Only a happy person can make a good quality because they need to be motivated. The only automation we're having is in the cutting room where you see the robots. All the rest is where we really need the human being. And for me, that needs to be really treated with utmost respect. Cleanliness is a very, very important point. So we're trying that our dormitories are really clean, our working place is clean. We built up last year a new sports facility where we have a basketball court there, badminton courts, where we have a karaoke in there, table tennis court, so that we also built kind of a recreation area after work. And one thing is very, very important, is because of the climate or the subtropical climate in China as well in Laos, our entire factories are fully air conditioned. So which giving a comfortable 8 hours to 10 hours where the people working on the machines. By now, I have to say China in the performance wear market is the absolute #1 in the world. And I believe that they need to be treated with the same respect than Italy for fashion or France for the leather goods or for the fragrances. That is a fact. The world has to live with China now. China is becoming a quality sign in the performance wear market.